A. Capital A. A. The short sound of A is A. 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 Lowercase a. Short sound is A. 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 Both are called as A. The sound of A is A. Story time. Annie is an ant. Annie loves to eat apple. Annie's friend name is Ally Alligator. One day Annie Ant was eating an apple. Annie saw an hunter aiming at his friend Ally Alligator. Annie got angry. Annie bit the hunter. Hunter shouted,
Ah!
Letter A. Words. Ant.
Ant. Ant. Ant. Ant. Ant.
Apple.
Apple. Apple. Apple. Apple. Apple. Apple.
Alligator.
Alligator. Alligator. Alligator. Alligator.
Astronaut.
Astronaut. Astronaut. Astronaut. Astronaut. Astronaut. Astronaut.
Arrow. 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 Angry. 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 Play and learn time. Play and learn. Name your toy with letter A. Example, a mirror doll. Take a toy from your toy station which starts with letter A. Sound. Cooking time. Apple sandwich. Materials required: apple, peanut butter, and a knife. Cooking time. Take 2 slices of apple. Apply peanut butter on top of it. Make a sandwich. Now eat your healthy snack. Activity time. Indoor activity. Take 3 popsicles and make letter A. Write both uppercase and lowercase a on a sand tray. Write both uppercase and lowercase a on a paper apple. Outdoor activity. Go for an apple picking. Each time when you pick an apple, say the letter sound. Go to a local store or a supermarket with your parents and help them buy apples. Check for the good red apples. Quiz time. Dress up time. Dress up like an astronaut and dance for astronaut songs.